Hello everyone. We have flashed that LED blinking code where we have added timer 3 to generate the delay. So in this case, we are going to generate delay for 1 second in the STM32 F4, F1, F7. Okay, let me run that logic analyzer. It is just capturing the data, and meanwhile you can see the hardware. The LEDs are blinking. Now we'll go to the timings. See, it is 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. And for STM32 F103, here also 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. For STM32 F7, 1 second, yeah, here as well. Okay. So here we are generating this 1 second delay using the timer 3. If you want the source code, you can check the link in the description. Thank you.